For this exercise, click on Open, browse to your Chapter 16 folder, and open the file Chapter 16 Schedules for Documentation. In the project browser, scroll down until you find the Schedules section and double-click to open the lighting fixture schedule. Here, all the lighting fixtures from the entire project are contained in the schedule, which I'd like to place on a sheet. So let's have a go. From my sheets, right-click and click on New Sheet. I'm going to use an Aometric title block and click on OK. I'm going to renumber my sheet and we'll call this one 602 and edit the parameter for the name and call this Luminaire Schedules. I can now drag my lighting fixture schedule onto the sheet. And as you can see from here, it doesn't fit very well. So what can I do about this? One of the things I can do is, using the grips, stretch the fields out until we have a single line for each type of fitting. But that's still not going to get me onto the sheet. If I wanted to display every single light fitting, we can place this lower down on the sheet and use the break line and the grips to break my schedule into smaller pieces that are manageable and which also allow me to see the schedule on the entire sheet. As you can see, if I drag too close, I can't resize the columns, and I can drag these until the whole thing fits almost neatly onto my sheet. But generally, all I'd want from my fitting schedule is one row per fitting. I could enter this as text, but then what's the point? So what I can do here is go to the Properties palette and click on Sorting and Grouping. Let's sort by type mark. So this is now going to sort my fittings into A, B, C, etc. The other thing I want to do is uncheck this Itemize Every Instance. This means it will only get one line per fitting. Click on OK. I now have a lighting fixture schedule, which, if I go back to my sheet, almost displays the way I want it. Let's just drag the unwanted empty columns back over the top of the first one and scroll in. All that's left is make this look exactly how I'd want it to present. So let's take a look at that in more detail. Click on your lighting fixture schedule again. So this time from the Properties palette, I'm going to click on Formatting. Let's look at the different fields. Here I've got type mark, and I can align this to the center. I might want to do the same for the lamp, and for the count, let's align those to the right. Then, with Appearance, I can choose my header text, its size, and the body text, and its size. If I click OK, and now go back to my sheet, we've updated the schedule.